Hello everyone, I'm Rutuja More from BA Part 3rd, Vivekananda College, Kolhapur. Now we are going to glance on modernism was a literary movement. Yes, modernism was a literary movement that lasted from the late 19th century to around the mid 20th century. What is modernist literature? Influenced by worldwide industrialization and the First World War, literary modernism was an emotional and experimental style of prose and poetry that occurred in the late 19th and early 20th century literature. So, literary modernism allowed writers to express themselves in more experimental ways than in the past. Okay, so let's know about its characteristics. Uh, Here are few distinguishing characteristics of modernist literature. First is experimentation. Modernist literature employed a number of different experimental writing techniques that broke the conventional rule of storytelling. Some of those techniques include blended imagery and them like absurdism, non-linear narrative, and stream of consciousness, which is free flowing inner monologue. Second is individualism. Modernist literature typically focus on individual rather than society as whole. Stories follow characters as they adapt to a changing world, often dealing with difficult circumstances and challenges. Third one is multiple perspectives. Multiple perspectives. Many modernist writers wrote in the first person perspective with multiple characters to emphasize the subjectivity of each character and add depth to the story by presenting a variety of viewpoints. Fourth one is free verse. Many modernist poets rejected the traditional structure of poetry and opted for free verse, which lacks a consistent rhyme scheme, then metrical pattern or musical form. And fifth one is literary devices. Many modernist writers rely on literary devices like symbolism and imagery to help the reader understand the writing and to create stronger connection between the text and the reader. So let's know about a notable modernist writer. There have been many writers responsible for some of the greatest American modernist works, such as D.H. Lawrence. The novels of David Herbert Lawrence explore the disillusionment that came with the aftermath of industrialization. His novel like Women in Love about 1920 and focused on interiority of their female protagonist, tying in strong themes of sexuality and challenge the mores of the time. And second one is Franz Kafka. Franz Kafka's work is often grounded in reality to take fantastical or surrealist terms. One of his most famous work, the Metamorphosis, follow an ordinary man who transforms into a beetle. Third one is Gertrude Stein, often considered the mother of modernists, was a feminist poet whose work incorporated stream of consciousness and experimental narrative techniques. One of her most famous work is the collection of poems Tender Buttons, which use the sound of word and fragmented phrases to deliver a particular image to the reader. And fourth one is T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was a British poet, literary critic, essayist, and editor. Uh, Two of his most significant poems are the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock, 1915, his first work which made liberal use of literary allusion to Shakespeare, and The Westland, 1922, which provides a dark and introspective reflective look at human nature. And fifth one is Ezra Pound. Poet Ezra Pound championed free verse and allusion, and is considered the one of the first writers in the modernist poetry to use imagism, a style that conveyed imagery in sharp. Um, some of Pound's notable work include In a Station of the Metro 1930, The Seafarer in 1911, and The Return 1970. Okay, so now let's know about difference between modernist and postmodernist literature. So let's know about focus. Modernist literature focused on science, philosophy, art, and variety of creative element of examine the human experience. Postmodernism, however, um, eschews absolutely the meaning and instead emphasize play, fragmentation, metafiction, and intertextuality. The postmodern literature movement in the mid 20th century was a reaction to literary style of modernist period. Earlier in the century, postmodernism embodied the disenchantment of the post World War II era, rejecting the idea of absolute truth, avoiding deep analysis, and focusing on subjective beliefs rather than science. So, yes, thank you so much.